U.S. History students, this is Mr. Kalin, and this video will show you how to create a proper works cited document in MLA format. So I have 4 tips here. The first one is you want to make sure that you always match the first letter of your parenthetical citation to the first letter of the works cited page. So let me give you an example here. Let's say in your paper you had this line: the author explains that, quote, this is how to create a works cited document, and Barnett was the author of that. That was in your actual paper. If I go to the works cited, I see Barnett right here. I don't see in the parenthetical citation Article 1. I don't see the National Constitution Center here in Barnett. I see the author's last name and the author's last name here. Now, if we go to the second example, it says the author state that, quote, this is another way to create a works cited document. Here, it doesn't look like the student could find the author's last name. It was only the title of the article, Creating the Constitution. And then notice that creating the Constitution, okay, you have C and C. The parenthetical documentation matches the citation right here. Notice that you don't have anything like ushistory.org, which is this phrase right here, or even the URL. Each one of these parenthetical citations reflects the first letter of the works cited page here. That's really important. Okay, other tips: make sure these are organized in alphabetical order. Again, sometimes you might have the author's last name, sometimes you might have the title, but regardless, these first letters should all be in alphabetical order. Third one is indenting first lines after the first line of the works cited citation. You should double space between lines. And then lastly, it's near impossible for anyone to memorize all of the different kinds of citation for a works cited page. But if you click this hyperlink on this handout, you'll be able to access a website that will give you more than enough information to make sure that you are citing sources properly. Hope this video helps you understand how to create a proper works cited document.